I'm Dr. Puneet Trivedi. I'm consultant psychiatrist at Fortis Memorial Research Institute, गुड़गांव। हम आज बात कर रहे हैं आप लोगों से उन बच्चों के बारे में जिनको कुछ इश्यूज आते हैं अपने एडोलेसेंस लाइफ में, और उनमें से कौन ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको साइकियाट्रिस्ट की या काउंसलिंग की ज़रूरत हो सकती है। सो द फर्स्ट एंड द फोरमोस्ट थिंग इज रिलेशनशिप इशू। सो रिलेशनशिप चाहे वो माँ बाप के साथ हो, रिलेशनशिप चाहे वो फ्रेंड्स के साथ हो, एट दिस टीनेज लेवल रिलेशनशिप इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, and anything and everything going wrong during the relationship or in the relationship makes these children vulnerable. So अगर आप वो बच्चे हैं या आप वो माँ बाप हैं जिनके वो बच्चे हैं जिनको रिलेशनशिप में इश्यूज हैं और जिसकी वजह से वो परेशान हैं किसी भी वजह से, that can be one area that you need an expert to counsel you as parents, how to handle your child in this vulnerable time, how to handle their emotions, because these children at this point of time are very insecure, and once you understand that what insecurity is all about, you will be also able to handle them and nurture them with care. The second issue that comes normally during this part of time is how to focus and balance life. So there is a huge need for studying, and we all as parents would probably ask them to keep on doing that, and these children would keep on retaliating and giving you reasons why they are not doing whatever they are not doing, and that is where the battle would happen. इस दौरान जब बच्चों को आप पढ़ने को बोल रहे हो, बच्चे नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं because उनकी priorities different है, that is where probably somebody who is neutral, who is from an outside world, who is an objective person who can understand this child in a better way and empathize with the child in a better way, helps you in bridging the gap between the child and the parents, and that is where the role of the counselor would again happen. The counselor would understand first the child in a better manner, and once they have understood in a better manner, learn to speak the same language which the child might be wanting us to speak, and that is where the counseling in this regard will also help. One of the very common problems which I see when I go to various schools is issues related with smoking and drugs, and this is a very common thing. If you are living in NCR or if you are living in Delhi, you obviously must be knowing that this is a very common issue. बहुत छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, about 14 to 18, lot of them come with various kind of drug related issues, whether it is only plain smoking or smoking cannabis in a very common manner, or it is alcohol related problem. All of them deter them from coming to reality, and they run away from reality, go out with friends who are probably of the same group and same kind, and that is why you will find that they are going away from the parents, they are going away from the studies, they are not behaving in the same way that you want them to behave. ऐसे समय में again probably some kind of an external help who would probably help them in understanding what drugs can do, what are the harm of drugs which can be produced. These kids nowadays read the entire information from computer. This computer information and the internet information at times is much more than whatever they can digest. So they'll do the selective abstraction part where they'll only take on the information that suits them and not being able to understand the actual information which is required. That is probably the time that you need to consult a professional who would be able to bridge the gap between that information, the actual reality part, and then help the child to come back to the actual reality. There are a lot of programs at Fortis which help these children to rehab and come back into their normal life in case they have swayed away from the normal path. Such children, there are children who have problems of hyperactivity, they also have problems of inattention, they have problem of anger issues. Anger and aggression is a very common issue during adolescence. A lot of us feel that this anger is a normal anger. I also say that this is normal, but if the anger or aggression comes to a level where it starts hampering our daily life, when we say that the relationship or any other thing that the child needs to be doing is getting hampered because of this anger or aggression part, that probably becomes a problem of impulse control. The child is not able to control his impulses. ऐसा एंग्री यंग चाइल्ड अपने लिए तो नुकसान पहुंचाता ही है, दूसरों को भी हार्म करता है, और उसकी वजह से बहुत सारे रिश्ते खराब हो जाते हैं. If you feel that there is somebody who is close to you and probably needs some kind of services of this kind, counseling would definitely help.